Hi, this is Yolanda Van Veen, and in this segment we're going to talk about how to prune a bonsai tree, or bonsai. And that is basically any plant that's grown in a small container is a bonsai tree. This cypress is one of the most popular trees that's used for bonsai. And it can be trained to pretty much grow to the side or to grow upright. And there's a few rules that you've got to follow. And basically you never want to trim more than 1/3 of the plant at one time. And you can actually take wires and generally bend it to the side using a wire, or you can trim out every third plant, or you actually want to group them into threes too. So a lot of times just by pushing 3 branches together and cutting some of the others out, every third one out, then you can trim it up and then create a different look. And the same thing even towards the top. You want to keep, the one policy is to keep the 3 together, and then to keep like the 3 together on the next side. And you can actually use wire and bend it to the side and bring it all the way down gradually and very slowly. The trick with bonsai is deciding what shape you want your plant to grow in. There's so many possibilities. You can have it cascading, you can have it grow, you can try to braid it a bit. And there's really not a lot of specific rules, but always remember never to prune more than 1/3 of the plant at any one time, and to only prune it maybe once or twice a year. You never want to prune it too many times either. And that way you can create a gorgeous bonsai plant.